I'm going to use a chair frame created in a previous video to talk about a simple but fundamental rule to keep in mind when using the split body command. In the chair frame video, I had to split this portion of the frame out in order to give it a different appearance and to hide it. In my first attempt, I created a sketch on the top plane and projected this tangent edge. Take note that these two tangent edges are at an angle, so I was not able to draw a simple straight line to cut across the whole frame. My plan was to make the split at this point first, before creating another sketch to split the other point. So I proceeded to use a split body command and use a sketch line to split the body. This produced an error. This actually illustrates a pretty fundamental rule that we need to follow when it comes to splitting bodies, although it might not be immediately obvious what is the problem here. When it comes to splitting bodies, the end result always has to increase the body count. In this case, by splitting the frame at this point, the frame still exists as one single body. Imagine cutting a piece of rubber band at one point. After cutting it, it no longer forms a ring, but it is still a single strand or body. So it would make sense to go back to our sketch and project this edge also. Let's try the split body command again. In this case, for splitting tools, select both lines. We get the same error. What if we check the extend splitting tool option? After checking on that and trying a few times, the results were unpredictable. On certain occasions, I will get the same error message. On other occasions, I will get a split at 3 locations due to the way the cutting planes were extended. In my next attempt, I try to join these two sections with an arc. In the split body command, for the splitting tool, I selected the whole chain of sketch entities as a cutting tool. This finally produced the required result. So do take note of this while using the split body command.